Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'll introduce BONOSS Wheel Spacer for you guys. Hub-centric wheel spacer better for Land Rover.
Land Rover Defender wheel spacers are safe to use. There are attachments that go between the wheel and the hub, creating more distance between them.
A hub-centric wheel spacer comes with a middle center ring, which is specially machined to fit a vehicle hub. Most modern car wheel hubs are the multi-layers, meaning a single-layer hub-centric ring may not fit perfectly. So in this case, BONOSS wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage hub-centric ring. The multi-layers design provides a pivot to fit the corresponding hub flat. This effectively ensures a firm wheel connection and a better load transition.
Choosing a good set of Land Rover Defender wheel spacers that can make a big difference in your off-roading performance. Larger wheels and wider tires means greater grip, which affect handling and stability. However, they will also take up more space in the fender well. That can prevent the larger wheels from rubbing against the suspension components.
For connecting parts, the higher the precision, the better the performance. The amount of the tolerance reflects the precision. BONOSS Forge hub-centric wheel spacers are CNC machined, precision at 0.02 mm tolerance. This eliminates any potential gaps, ensuring a perfect installation. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye!